Hey everybody, Michael Gamonal with Gamonal Tutors, ASVAB Domination here. Today we are doing a question of the day on math. I really like this question of the day because last week in my pro group, we just went over word knowledge. And this one has something to do with word knowledge. We'll read this question real quick together. Hope you got a chance to try to solve it on your own first before you watch this video, because that's where you'll learn. The question is, Oscar purchased a new hat that was on sale for $5.06. The original price was $9.20. What percentage discount was the sale price? So what percentage discount is the question here? Percent of discount. So if you can identify the question, it becomes that much easier. Now, discount has what's called a prefix. The prefix being dis, and then the root of the word is count. So we all know to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So discount is the part that wasn't counted, right? The number that was removed. So these are the kinds of prefixes, suffixes that you can use to help you in word knowledge. So the percent of the discount is the percent that's missing between 920 and 506. So what we have to do is we have to subtract that. 920 minus 506. Now this becomes 414. You carry the 10, drop that to 1, and you'll see that that becomes $4.14. So this is the discount. Now to calculate the percentage, that's another compound word, percent. It has a prefix of per, which means to divide. Cent means out of 100. We'll get back to that towards the end. That means we move the decimal at the end. But for now, the percentage of the discount will be represented. Now this looks like messy math, right? This is gonna be tough. Top dog gets the house. We put 414 inside, 920 outside, and start doing our division. Now we don't like decimals outside, so we move the decimal 2 places to the right. Since we did it to the top and the bottom, it doesn't change the number, all right? Now, we can go through and do our division. This is where you're gonna wanna look through your choices. So one of the choices was 53%. Now, the thing about a choice that's over 50% is you know that this number has to be over half of that number. Well, half of 9 is 450. So this is less than 450, therefore this is less than half. The discount is less than 50%, so you can throw that one out right away. So what I'm gonna do, since I know that it's less than half, all right, so 9 times 4, or I'm sorry, we go from right to left. So 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 2 is 8. Oh, I got it backwards. 0.0. So 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 2 is 8. And 4 times 9 is 36. Subtract that out. You're gonna have to borrow. So this 0, 14 minus 8 is 6. And 10 minus 6 is 4. And this one cancels. So 460, bring down another 0. And boom, this was where it gets easy. So you know that the second number has to end in a 0. It's either gonna be an even number or a 5. And now you look through your answers. You can either pick A, B, C, or D. So you have 40 what percent that we can choose here. Well, I'm gonna choose 45%. I may have already done this before. Now, 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10. And 5 times 9 is 45, plus 1 is 46. Would you look at that? So the answer is 45%. So that's how that one works. That one's a little bit more difficult. Here's all the math. This division part is the toughest part. Going through and subtracting is gonna give you the discount, so you need to know what number you're looking for to start. Once you find that number, you actually have to go through and do the division to find the percent and get 45%. Move the decimal twice over, and that gives us that 100 place. So the answer here, 45%. If you disagree, hit me up. If you got any questions, let me know. I'm here for you. My ASVAB Domination Pro group is going to be starting next month, and I hope to see as many of you guys in there as possible. If you want August to be the month that you finally go out and start crushing the ASVAB rather than being nervous when you take the test, I want to give you that confidence. So let me know if that sounds like something that you could use, and just send me a message. All right, all the best. Keep studying. Good luck, guys.